Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check your WhatsApp chat backup on iCloud to make sure that your messages are safe. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap the settings at the bottom right corner and select Chats. Next, tap the chat backup. Here you'll see the last backup date and total backup size and also the option to turn on auto backup or end-to-end encrypted backup for extra security. Now, let's confirm that your backup is linked to iCloud. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID and select iCloud. Tap the storage and make sure that WhatsApp Messenger appears in the list of apps using iCloud storage. And that's it. You've successfully checked your WhatsApp backup on iCloud. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.